Hey guys, so I'm back with this month's BoxyCharm. So it's gonna be BoxyLuxe. So let's get into it. So the first thing I got is this, and this is a cleanser. So this is from Clean Biotic Balancing Complex or whatever. This will retail for $35. This is a prebiotic multitasking cleansing yogurt mask. Melts away the grim makeup and excess oil. Great, because I have makeup on right now. So let's see how it does. So I'm gonna try to clip this out of the way. I don't have a clip. Got a bobby pin. I didn't think this through. Attempt to use the viewfinder as my mirror. Got it. Good. Whatever. I've been wearing this makeup for a whole work shift, so that's like 9 hours. I'm gonna get my face wet. Put some water on the face. It's pretty much like a mint shade, so a little bit sticky, but we're gonna just rub that in. Ooh, it smells so good. Oh my god. Ooh, that smells really good. I'm just gonna blend it in. This is the true test because my napkin's getting pretty dirty looking. It's no longer white. So it is taking off the makeup for sure. Oh, I liked it. I just really love the way it smells. It feels nice. Alright, so this is the face. Hello. Clean. Nice. I like that product. So I don't have a hydrator with me, so this is the next best bet. This is a night serum, so obviously you want to use this at night, but for the purposes of the video, I'm gonna use this. My skin is dry anyways. This is from Farmacy. I think I tried their cleanser a couple months ago. Kind of like made my face a little bit burny, but hopefully this one don't do that. This is their Honeymoon Glow. You get 1 fluid ounce. This will retail for $58, but again, this is a night serum. It's supposed to resurface, hydrate, and clarify dull skin while you sleep. Perfect. So it's 14% AHA, BHA, don't know what that is. Youthful looking, smooth complexion. So, ooh. It's already making my face burn. Fun, love it, oh, wonderful. This is the second thing I tried from this brand, and both items give me this burning sensation. Like, who knows, maybe in like 2 seconds my face will be red, but it's bearable. It's just, yeah, keep that in mind if you have really sensitive skin. But it is absorbing pretty nicely, so there's that. The other thing that I tried from them was a cleanser, so this one is not burning as much, but I can still feel it. Okay, so the next thing is from In Touch and Soul. This is their No Pore Blem Primer, Prime Essence. Is this the same thing as before, like from February something? Don't know. Different packaging, maybe something just new, maybe a new formula, don't know. So yeah, never mind, new formula. That one was pink and more like a silicone. This one's really watery. Oh snap, almost dropped that one. Okay, very liquidy. So I'm gonna use this as a primer. Just quickly get that on there before this camera dies. This is $23. You get 1.01 fluid ounces. The primer made my face smooth and I kind of like it. So far so good. I'm gonna just quickly do my foundation. Using Revlon Color Stay mixed in with L'Oreal True Match. Just saying. I love that combination. I've been wearing it pretty much every day to work lately. So far, my foundation is looking really smooth, so I think I really like that primer. Normally the foundation blends in really nicely anyways, as a, you know, but so far it looks really good and hydrated. I don't look dry or anything, and I have dry skin normally, so I'm not even gonna bother with concealer today, because no. Quickly set my face with Rimmel Stay Matte. Love this stuff. So oldie but a goodie. So the base is on, and let's see what's next. This is probably the best thing in the box so far, but it is this guy. This is from Tarte. Oh my gosh, I love Tarte. This is the Tarte Pro Glow 3 palettes for $45. This is a good travel thing. I'm saying it now. This is great for travel. Haven't traveled with it yet, so take my word for it. Just do it. This is the packaging. It's a cute little like opens up. I hope I don't break it. But yeah, you get 2 blushes, 2 highlight shades, and contours, bronzer, whatever. I usually do bronzer first, so I'm going in with a big fluffy brush. This is from Eco Tools. For the everyday world, I just go in, get some color into the face. Not precise, just saying. So I think I'm gonna go in with this shade right here, because this one looks a little bit too red undertone for my liking. So I'm gonna go in with this one. Open. So I'm gonna go in with this one. This is Autograph. Ooh. Right? Is that the one? I think that's Autograph. Please, it's Autograph. Where's it backstage? Anyways, I'm gonna go with that one. Yeah, we good. So I pop that on, get some color going on, because she needs it. I'm liking this so far. So far, so good. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of that other shade, bronzer shade. Just a tiny bit. And some more warmth. Nice. I'm using a highlighter brush as my blush brush. So, yeah. This is from Sephora. It's one of like their magnet thing. My bobby pin's like stuck on there. But this is a great brush for highlighting, but I'm gonna use it for blush today. So I'm gonna go in with this shade Dance Floor, because I feel like dancing right now. Have y'all heard Miley Cyrus' new like mini album? Like, I love it. I love Mother's Powdery. Okay, I love Mother's Daughter. Good stuff. And The Most, I believe it's called. I bought the album last night. I love it. What you guys been listening to lately? Any suggestions? I love pop music. Britney Spears is my queen. J-Lo is my princess. But I love K-pop. Any suggestions? Let me know. I listen to Spanish music, so I love to listen. I love music. This is a nice, but Tarte's amazing. I love Tarte. Hair, go away. Go away. Put a little bit too much blush on this side, but it's fine. So far, so good. Now, I really hope this highlight is blinding, and this will be a perfect palette. I think I'm gonna go in with the shade A-Lister. So I think this one, is that right? No, this one. This one, I'm going in with this shade. I think that's A-Lister. I'm using Anastasia's highlighting brush. Love this brush, go get it, it's amazing. Yes. Yes. Yes, highlight. Oh, I look so moist. Yes, I love this one. Okay, go get this palette, you guys. This is a beautiful palette. I pretty much could use whatever shade in here. This is really great. I love this. Number 3. This is number 3. I don't know what the other ones are like, but this one's perfect. Gosh, Tarte knows what they're doing. I'm gonna put a little bit down the nose. I like to put some. I even do my whole eyelid actually. I'm that person. Loving it. Okay, so definitely my favorite. So the next thing I got is a setting spray, I think. This is from Skin&Co. This is their Radiant Dew Mist. So I'm just gonna shake her up. I don't know if you're supposed to shake her, but I'm doing it. So this is a Radiant Dew Hydrating Mist formulated to soothe, protect, and illuminate the skin. Enriched with antioxidants, rich, soothing, and detoxifying botanicals such as black winter truffle, rosemary, ginger, peppermint. Ooh, I hope it feels good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, screw this. Okay, I'm gonna put this on. Ooh, I smell the peppermint. But do I feel it? I feel it. Oh my god, this is great. Love this. Oh, I love this. I'm probably gonna put this next to my everyday makeup stash area. The mints. I love this. Moving on. So the next thing is from DominiqueCosmetics. This is their Lemonade Lip Gloss. Cool. This will retail for $17. Add hydrating shine and fullness to your lips with a lightweight non-sticky balm. Perfect. I hate those sticky ones. So this is in the shade Peach Tea. Ooh, this color looks really intense on camera. Wow. I can't see. I have so much ring lights around me. Is it like that? I don't know. We're gonna put it on though. We're gonna see what it looks like by itself. Here's the applicator. First things first, does it smell like lemonade? Kinda. Moment of truth. Is it sheer? Is it super intense? Okay, she's... Alright. Not bad. Not bad, not bad. I've been getting into glosses lately. Ever since my other BoxyCharm with that gloss, I've been using that almost all the time. Just because my lips get crusty real fast. Cute, right? I've been kind of getting into gloss because of that one BoxyCharm. It's weird because I normally was like, ew, gloss, really? Boring. Nice. It just like puts everything together. Like if you're going for that dewy look, yes. Lips aren't sticking together, not making that weird line stuff. You're good. So this is from treStigue. treStigue. This is $25. This is the Good Vibes Mascara. So this is an all-in-one lash curler tool plus an enhancing mascara that gives you everything you need to take your lashes to the next level. Alright, so I have like very straight lashes. I don't normally curl my lashes just because they go down anyways. So how do I open this? I'm afraid. Pull off clear cap to access half the curler. Press down along lash line and hold for 3 to 5 seconds. What? Flip down to curl. Oh, fancy. Okay, so you just pull this down and then this is like the traditional curler. Got it. So here are my natural straight lashes. So it doesn't get the full lash, so you would have to work in sections. But if it curls, absolutely nothing. Let me try that again. Oh my god, one time I bought a lash curler from Rue 21. That thing literally cut my lashes. And I got freaking lash curlers at the dollar store and it curls so much better. You would think at this day and age it would be nice to get a lash curler from any price range, but it literally cut my lashes. Okay, so she's curling, but barely noticeable. I'm gonna try to hold it on there for another 30 years. I don't know. She's not doing much. And I like how you could work very in sections just so you can get super close to the lash line. But if it's not gonna curl, what's the point? Alright, a little bit better. Not... Ow. Alright, so she finally curled. I kinda like that. Kind of cool, but you just gotta work with it. So if you're running late, use a regular curler. You guys, my camera literally overheated. Like that's how long it took to curl these lashes. Like, my goodness. But what I like about it is how close you can get to the base of the lashes. But this mascara better be good. Here's before. All right, so far, it's really nice mascara. Like my curls are still there. That's black. Nice. Ooh. Alright. Alright. Okay, I see you. I see you. Take forever to freaking curl, but I see you. That's pretty nice. First I thought it was like a little gimmicky, but my lashes are pretty much staying separated. It's not like clumping or anything. So that's pretty dope. It's pretty dope. Now this could hold my curl. This would probably be my new fave. I'm not really big on mascara to begin with, but my lashes are, you could actually see my lashes. Look at that. Look at it. So nice, right? I got lashes, guys. I got them. My lashes are drooping a little bit, but The next, so this is from Living Proof Full Dry Volume Blast. This is a styling spray. What does that mean? And it's like, so instant volume and texture. So is it a texture spray? Is it a hairspray? Lasting results on dry hair, okay? UV protection. It's silicone free and safe for colored and chemically treated hair. This will retail for $29. I'm curious, is this sticky? Poof. No, she's not sticky. So what are you? What are you? Okay, I used it. Okay, so jokes aside, let's see what she do. Is she leaving a white cast? Can't tell. It smells good though. What does it do? Please, someone let me know. Like, what? It says give me volume, so give me volume, girl. My hair is kind of already doing its thing. Is this like a dry shampoo? What'd it do? I don't know. No clue. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. What are you doing? Hello? Volume? Is that volume? Hello? What are you? Is that volume? Can't tell. Don't have a white background. Think so? Maybe? Hello? Damn, my hair is long. Okay, now, last but not least. It's this! It's purple! It's tiny. You get a little hair dryer. How cool is that? Like, you get a low and a medium. Like, you get a high. You get a low. You can't, unfortunately, you can't do like cool settings. But there's this little thing. I think you can change the voltage. You get 230 voltage, and right now it's set to 120 voltage. So you just have to go in with like a screwdriver or something to turn it. But it's really cute for travel. Hello, look at that color. So pretty. So this is from PYT Mini Turbo On The Go Dryer. So this will fudge! $85? I don't normally like to use heat on my hair, so I don't normally use hair dryers unless it's an emergency. But rarely is it. So yeah, wow, frick. It comes in this little pouch, and inside has these things. Put it on there. I think this is for brushes. I don't know. Like I said, I don't normally use hair dryers. This one is to, I think, diffuse the. Yeah. That's pretty much it for the BoxyLuxe this month. And so the total retail value of this box, let me get a calculator, $352. That's amazing. Because normally BoxyCharm in general is like $20, $21 a month, depending which kind of thing you go with. But every 3 months, like March, June, September, December, I think it'll take like additional $30 if I'm not mistaken. And you get this, a lot more. Good value for your money. There's not a lot of makeup in this box. I feel like a majority of it is like skincare kind of things, which is fine because it's pretty much the look you will get, like a natural look, which I love for work every day. If you guys like that video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, do whatever. Comment what is your favorite, and just leave a comment, just say hi, something. If you're not yet already, please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified whenever I upload a video. Until my next video, guys, bye.